To create a Trust Wallet, you first need to download and install the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices and can be found in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you have installed the app, open it and click on the Create a Wallet option. You will then be presented with the option to either create a new wallet or import an existing one. To create a new wallet, select the Create a New Wallet option. You will then be asked to create a 6-digit PIN code and confirm it by re-entering it. This PIN code will be used to secure your wallet and protect it from unauthorized access. After creating your PIN code, you will be presented with a recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. This phrase is used to restore your wallet in case you lose access to it. So it is very important to write it down and store it in a safe place. Once you have written down your recovery phrase, you will be asked to confirm it by selecting the words in the correct order. This is a security measure to ensure that you have written down the phrase correctly. After confirming your recovery phrase, your wallet will be created and you will be taken to the main screen of the app. From here, you can view your wallet balance, send and receive cryptocurrencies, and access other features of the app. It is very important to keep your recovery phrase safe, as it can be used to access your wallet and steal your funds if it falls into the wrong hands. You should never share your recovery phrase with anyone and should store it in a safe and secure place. By following these steps, you can create a Trust Wallet and start using it to store and manage your cryptocurrencies. Remember to always keep your wallet and recovery phrase safe and secure to protect your funds.